Hello friends, today we will learn how to style this tag. We are using HTML tags, right? So how to write colors? So here we will write color. Okay, we will change our background color. That's mean here is the background color. It is white. We will change the background color. Okay, so that's a how to write. So here I will writing. Just watch. We know that if we are using inline css, inline, that's mean this is the inline css. Okay, so here we that's mean we need to mention the style tags, then color. Okay, what the background color, which one? This will blue. Okay, is the same. If I want to color this one, sorry, not a class, I will just use a style tag. That's mean here is the style tag. What color is white, right? Okay, I hope you understand how to write HTML style. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon next video. Bye.